Well, welcome back to my shed. Where are we today? What I was going to do today was I was going to do the H1. Go back to the H1. Is I'm going to clean all this stuff off there, take the tank back off, put that over there for now, and then I'm going to set the camera up so we can see what I'm doing, and I can show you when I'm pumping the oil through the line, see if any air comes through. So that's the plan for today. So see you in a sec. Right, that's all set up. So what I'm going to do now is just push that oil line through there. It's up, so that's it. Got the banjo ready. So I'm just gonna a bit awkward because obviously this is a bit bigger the union than what was on there. To loosen that one off a bit, ratchet. So just loosen that one off a little bit. Just a bit. That's it. Right. Now, let's get the banjo in the other end. It's a bit more awkward for you to see without me sticking my great big hands in the way. In fact, you can't see nothing. I don't really want to move the carbs too much. Yeah. That's it. You can't really see a lot there, can you? Oh, there, it's nearly done up all the way. It's done up all the way, so I'm going to loosen it off a bit. Put some tissue back down there, and so I'm going to try and put it down. catch the oil that's going to come out. Obviously not block the pipe, so I can't. So I can see the oil coming through. Let's see, might put a bit of light on the right, let's get around it. So I've got my drill with my bit on in. What I've got to do, stick that on the bottom of the oil pump, hold it open all the way, like so. Now, there's no oil, no air in the pipe. There might be a bit up the end there, but it looks like there's air in this end. There's no oil coming out of it, so it's definitely not no oil in it. So I have to check it out. It's possibly where I put the glue on. It's blocked the hole up. But I'll have to get back to you.